Hi, everybody, welcome back to another episode of The Twist. If you're stumbling on my channel for the first time, my name is Chana Z, and here we twist the little things my mom showed me in her beautiful, beautiful, beautiful traditional kitchen. And this is family. Here we cook together and we eat together. So pull your chairs and let's do this as a family. So it's bonding time, and today we're going to be bonding around some brie cheese sandwich. I'm going to be sharing two of my favorite brie cheese sandwiches. Now, the first one is going to be brie cheese and apple sandwich. Now, here we have some brie cheese. I love brie cheese because it's very mild. And then we've got here some apples, two slices of bread. That's just good enough. I have here some honey. You can replace your honey with jam. I do not really love jam. Then we have here some black pepper, crushed black pepper, and some salt, and of course, our margarine. All right, now we're going to get started. Now let's start by slicing our cheese. You can use any cheese of your choice, but I really love brie cheese, so that's my choice of cheese. It's very mild compared to other cheeses to me. I think I prefer this to other cheeses actually. Now just slice that and set it aside. Then we're going to spread some margarine on our bread. Now, once we do that, just do that beautifully. Like I always say, do your cooking with some love. Spread this margarine with some love and then, top it up with your cheese. Now, the quantity of cheese depends on you. I mean, it depends on how much you want to have as cheese in that day. So this is what I want. This is what I have actually. So we're just going to top everything. We're just going to layer it with all the cheese we've got. Sprinkle some black pepper and pink Himalaya salt on it, and then put it in our oven. We're going to toast it in the oven because I want the bread to be as fresh as new. And I also want the cheese to be a little bit melted. So here we go. Let's go ahead and introduce it into our already heated oven. We're just going to put that for a few minutes and then take it out. While our bread is toasting, we're going to slice our apples. Now you can use pears if you want, but I prefer apples. I'm not really a fan of pears. So yeah, now here we have our toasted bread. It looks beautiful, isn't it? So our bread is nicely toasted. Now we're going to top it up again with some um, apple slices. Then sprinkle or add in some honey. Now once you add in your honey, you're done. I mean, it's very easy, very simple, very delicious, and would I say healthy? I'm not sure about that. So yeah, all right, so here we go. This is what we've got. It was really crunchy. The bread was well toasted. It was as fresh as new. And then the apples, I mean, there is a mix of sweet, sour, and salty in there. The bites were awesome. They were heavenly. All the bites were heavenly. Now we go to our second sandwich, which is brie cheese sandwich with rocket leaves. Right. So you can see our beautiful piece of brie cheese there. And then we're going to be using some French baguette. It's actually fresh. I just got it from the supermarket. It's very fresh. It's just freshly made. And here I've got some smoked turkey breast. I also have here some sliced onions sprinkled with some salt and lemon, right? And our beautiful rocket leaves. So these are the ingredients we are going to be using. All right, let's start by slicing our brie cheese. Just slice that beautifully as desired. You can make the slices thicker or thinner, it's up to you. So I'm just doing what works for me. Right. Then we're going to slice our bread. Just cut open your baguette beautifully, add in a pinch of salt, a pinch of love. I'm sorry, I want to say. Then spread it with some margarine. We're going to spread some margarine, then top it again with our brie cheese. I do love brie cheese because it's really, really mild. Now, once you're done adding your cheese, just quickly toast it. We're just going to put it in and out of the oven, in and out of an already heated oven. So this is what we have. Our bread is nicely toasted. We are going to continue adding in our different ingredients. So now we are adding in our sliced turkey, smoked turkey breast. Right, just add enough quantity. I mean, just put as much as you want. It's a matter of preference. So we're just adding that, and then we're gonna go ahead and spread our sliced onions. All right. So I did season my onions with lemon and salt, and then we have here our already washed um, rocket leaves or arugula. Yeah, something like that. So I just added my rocket leaves. I'm going to try to fit in everything in my baguette because the baguette is not too big. So we're just going to use our knife and make sure everything goes in there. Give it a slice, and that's final. It's done. And voila, our sandwich is ready, and it's time to give that beautiful big bite. It's a mix of sweet, bitter, and peppery taste you feel. Now you can go ahead and add in some honey or some jam, but I wasn't in the mood of honey today. Right. So we have come to the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and share the video, and let us know what your thoughts are in the comment section. But before we say goodbye, I'll keep reminding us to be kind. Always be kind to people around you. I love you all. Bye.